The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 capability, bucket seats, tachometer, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.